Welcome po sa Beams App How to Tutorial 26. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang isa sa mga importanteng productivity features ng payroll management module ng Beams App. Ito ang automate timekeeping. Ang traditional daily timekeeping can become very tedious, especially kung maraming personnel ang kailangang i-record every working day. Even when an organization uses fingerprint attendance, may mga pagkakataon pa rin na nagkakaroon ng incomplete records, missed scans, or other attendance problems na kailangang ayusin manually. For this reason, ginawa sa BMS ang automate timekeeping function. Ang purpose nito ay simple. Instead of manually encoding the daily time record of every personnel one by one, pwedeng gumawa ang system ng complete DTR for the selected working day. From the payroll management page, open the daily time record or DTR section. Then click Automate Timekeeping. Pagbukas ng window, ang unang gagawin ay select date. Piliin ang date kung kailan natin gustong gumawa ng attendance records. Pero bago magpatuloy ang BIMS, chine-check muna ng system ang selected date. Kung Sunday ang napiling date, magbibigay ang system ng prompt at hindi nito itutuloy ang automated timekeeping process. Ginagawa ito para maiwasan ang accidental generation ng regular attendance records sa isang Sunday. Next, chine-check din ng system kung mayroon ng existing daily time record para sa selected date. Kung mayroon ng attendance records para sa araw na iyon, magbibigay ulit ang system ng warning or prompt. Hindi nito basta gagawan ulit ng panibagong attendance records ang date na mayroon ng existing DTR. This validation is important because it helps prevent duplicate attendance entries. Only when the selected date is valid, not Sunday, and wala pang existing DTR records, saka tayo maaaring magpatuloy sa automated timekeeping process. Next, piliin ang shift type. For example, pwedeng day shift or another shift type na nakakonfigure sa system. Pagkatapos pumili ng shift, makikita ang time in, time out at shift break. These values are based on the defined work schedule or work hours definition. For example, kung day shift ang napili, maaaring automatic na lumabas ang standard time in na 8 a.m., time out na 5 p.m., at shift break na 60 minutes, depende sa work schedule na nakakonfigure sa BIMS. This means hindi na kailangang mano-manong mag-type ng standard working hours para sa bawat personnel. This means hindi na kailangang mano-manong mag-type ng standard working hours para sa bawat personnel. Naka-display dito ang personnel ID, full name, at isang checkbox na may label na absent. What's wrong is sa pinakamahalagang design ng automate timekeeping. Instead of asking the user na isa-isang tukuyin kung sino ang present, ang system assumes na present ang personnel unless marked as absent. Kung present ang isang personnel, wala kang kailangang gawin. Leave the absent checkbox unticked. Kung absent naman ang personnel sa araw na iyon, i-check lamang ang absent box beside the person's name. Bakit absent ang pinili nating checkbox instead of present? Because in actual daily operations, usually mas kaunti ang absent kaysa sa present. Mas madaling malaman kung sino ang wala kaysa isa-isang i-confirm ang lahat ng personnel na present. For example, kung may 20 personnel at dalawa lang ang absent, dalawa lang ang kailangan mong i-check. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-click ng 18 boxes para sabihin na present ang natitirang personnel. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-click ng 18 boxes para sabihin na present ang natitirang personnel. After reviewing the personnel list, make sure na tama ang selected date, shift type, time in, time out, shift break, at ang personnel na minarkahang absent. Then click Generate DTR. Pag-click ng Generate DTR, gagawa ang system ng daily time record entries para sa personnel list. Para sa mga personnel na hindi marked as absent, gagamitin ng system ang standard attendance information based sa selected work schedule. Para sa mga personnel na hindi marked as absent, gagamitin ng system ang standard attendance information based sa selected work schedule. Sa ganitong paraan, isang operation lang ang kailangan para makagawa ng attendance records for the whole personnel list. Instead of manually encoding time in and time out for every employee, BIMS does the repetitive work automatically. This is particularly useful for regular working days kung saan standard naman ang work schedule. After generating the DTR, bumalik sa Daily Time Record table at review the generated attendance records. Check the personnel names, date, time in, time out, regular hours, overtime if applicable, at attendance status. Importanteng i-review pa rin ang generated records. Automation saves time, pero attendance data should still be verified before payroll generation. Remember, ang daily time record feeds directly into payroll. Kung mali ang attendance data, maaari rin itong makaapekto sa salary, absence deduction, regular hours, at overtime computation. Kung mali ang attendance data, maaari rin itong makaapekto sa salary, absence deduction, regular hours, at overtime computation. Ang ginagawa nito ay alisin ang repetitive manual encoding while keeping the user responsible for identifying exceptions such as absences. In summary, ganito ang automate timekeeping process. Open Daily Time Record. Click Automate Timekeeping. Select the date. The system checks if the selected date is Sunday. The system also checks if DTR records already exist for that date. If the date passes the validation, select the shift type. Review the automatically filled time in, time out, and shift break. Then review the personnel list. Leave the absent box unticked for personnel who are present. Check only the personnel who are absent. Finally, click Generate DTR. The system then creates the daily time record for the selected working day. This feature was designed to make one of the most repetitive daily payroll tasks much easier. Instead of encoding attendance employee by employee, the user only identifies the exceptions and BIMS generates the rest. For regular working days, this can significantly reduce the time needed to prepare daily attendance records. Sa next how-to tutorial, magpapatuloy tayo sa iba pang functions ng payroll management module. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how automate timekeeping works in the BIMS app. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS app button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.